Want to know how to break your code into functions in Cursor AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your Cursor AI application. So we have also created a video on how to install and open up Cursor AI, so make sure to watch that. So once everything is done, on here you should be seeing this code right here. So I have written this code with, it's a pretty large code. So if I want to divide it into functions, what I can do is I can just simply type in Ctrl+K by stacking the entire code. So once you're done, make sure you want to edit selection or quick edit and just simply type in this. So just simply select enter once this is typed, and it's a generate your code where it should be divided into functions, and there you go. So this will make your code more organized. Just simply select keep in all and you're good. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.